Hi, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Jolliffe, and this time we get to talk about teen numbers and how to make teen numbers using dimes and pennies. We practice this a lot in class, so this should be pretty simple for you, but I think it'll be good for you to practice it again at home and show off to your parents a little bit. I think that'd be kind of fun. So today we're going to use our dimes and pennies to make a teen number. Let's start with using our smarts to identify the teen number and then draw the dimes and pennies to match that number. Here we go. Here's our first teen number. Oh, everybody, what number? Yes, 12. 1 and a 2 makes 12. So let's talk about dimes and pennies and see which one we want to start with first. Which coin is worth 10 cents? Which coin is worth 10 cents? You're right, it's a dime. When I'm drawing a dime, I like to draw it like this. I make a circle, kind of a dime shape, and then in the circle, I'm going to write 10 so that I know that that coin is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. So I have 10. How many more do I need to get 12? Well, I know I'm not going to draw another dime. I know that I need to draw some pennies. A penny is worth 1 cent. So let's count on as we draw some pennies to get to the number 12. Here we go. 10, 11, 12. What number should I write in these circles to show how much they are worth? A penny is worth, right, 1 cent. So I'm going to put 1 in each one of those circles. Now I can remember that those are worth 1. Let's count on and see if we're right. 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. Do I have 12 cents? I do. I have 12 cents. 10 and 2 more is 12. A dime plus 2 pennies is 12 cents. Let's do another one. This is fun. This time I want to make 16 cents. Go ahead and show me a dime and some pennies on your board to show the number 16 in 16 cents. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to while you draw 16 cents using a dime and some pennies. Great job, kindergarten. Now I'm going to make a dime and some pennies, and we're going to see if you're right. Here we go. A dime is a circle with a 10 inside it so that we can see that it's worth 10. Then we're going to count on and see how many pennies we need to go with our dime. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to draw ones inside my circles to show that they are worth 1 cent because a penny is worth 1 cent. Then I want you to notice how I drew my pennies. I drew them in a 5 group plus 1 more because that's an easy way for my brain to remember. 5 plus 1 more is 6. 10 and 6 more is 16. If you have 10 plus 6 pennies to make 16 cents, great job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, next one.
Mom, can I spy you?
This time, I'm going to draw some pennies, and then you have to draw how many it is, okay? Hold on just a second. Let me get my supplies set up.
No. Go over here. Over here.
I've got a little helper. She's needing my help for just a second.
Maybe I'll go with this one.
All right, let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and draw the dime and some pennies, and I want you to write the number that it represents, how many cents it is, on your piece piece of paper or on your dry erase board or whatever you have in front of you to write on. Here we go. Your turn. Count how many cents I have all together and then write the number on your board or on your paper. You can always pause the video if you need a little bit more time. All right, let's count on and see how many we have. Count with me. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A dime and 5 pennies makes 15 cents. If you had 15 cents on your board, great job, kindergarten. So proud of you. All right, here comes another one. I'm going to draw some coins and you're going to have to figure out how many all together. Your turn. Count how many all together and then write the number. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time. Let's count on together and see if you're right. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 cents. If you had 17 cents, give yourself a high five. Great job. I'm so proud of you. 17 cents. I would love to do a challenge problem. Wouldn't you love to do that? That sounds so fun. Let's do a challenge problem together. This time, I'm going to write some coins. I'm going to draw some coins after I get my board set up here. And I want you to count how many all together. Here we go.
Mommy.
This time I have 10 plus 5. It's kind of hard to see that 5 plus 3 pennies. 10 plus 5 cents plus 3 pennies. If you know that number, how many altogether, go ahead and write that number on your paper or on your board. Okay, here we go. Let's count on together and see if you're right. Here's what I know. I know that this is 10, and if I want to say 10 and how many more, then I'm going to put these ones together first. 5 plus 3 more is 8. So this set of coins right here is worth 8 cents. But I have my 10 over here. 10 plus 8 more is 18. So a dime plus a nickel plus 3 pennies is 18 cents. If you had 18 cents, great job. I'm so proud of you. Here comes one more. It's really fun. Okay, kindergarten, your turn. We have 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 4 pennies. How many is that all together? Your turn. Count how many and write the number. If you got 24 cents, you're right. 10 plus 10 is 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 cents. Great job, kindergarten. You can continue to practice this game with your mom or dad or your brother or sister or whoever is in your house with you to get really good at using a dime and some pennies or a dime, a nickel, and some pennies to get some teen numbers or maybe even a bigger number. Great job, kindergarten.